Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Right now, I am at 𝐏𝐑𝐔𝐃𝐀, which is located near Badeen, and the bumps number is 568, which was donated by Sadaka Network USA 2. May Allah Almighty accept their donation and thank from all of us for doing so much for the people of Badeen. So let us pray for the people and the team of Amanatdaar and the people and the team supporting Sadaka Network USA 2. Ameen. So brother, why don't you run the pump and see how it works? Mashallah, very clear water. Yes, this is very clean and very pure water, and we can easily drink this water as well. Do you have any words to say for the people of Sadaka, USA Sadaka Network 2? You have done us a great favor. We couldn't even imagine in our wildest imagination that someone will do this for us. We are very grateful for all the help that you've given us. Thank you so much. We are surprised and we are shocked. Thank you so much.